Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today we are doing a soft cut crease look, and I just wanted to share with you guys a simple look that you can do and create, also including a cut crease. So I'm not gonna talk too much, guys. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so to begin, for the transition shade, I'm going in with the Afrique palette with the shade Cameroon, and I'm going to use it as the transition shade as I work it in, thicker in the outer lid, and I'm going to thin it out as I go into the inner of my lid. All right, so for the most part, that's how I want it. I want it to be really soft and natural. Next, I'm going to go in with my P. Louise in the shade 4, and I'm going to just barely cut my crease to the middle of my lid to give it that soft cut crease look. Set in my primer with my loose fitting powder by Maybelline in the shade 20. And now that I started to incorporate this into my foundation routine, I like to make sure I focus in the areas like my T-zone areas, the areas that I apply a little bit more product to than other areas of my face. And to lock it all in, guys, I'm going in with my NYX matte setting spray to set my face in. Okay, so because it's like getting colder outside, y'all know foundation shades, your skin tone changes. So I'm going in with the lighter Brasilia from Juvia's Place. I hope this match well because when I switch, sometimes I have a hard time matching. So I hope we did good. Let's work that in, y'all. I don't know. It's giving me like an ashy look. So because I'm using more of a lighter tone, I'm gonna go back to a throwback, which is my LA Pro Girl, because I didn't put a lot of foundation here because I wasn't sure. So I'm gonna go in with that to lighten the area. Okay, so I'm gonna stay with that LA Pro Girl, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Espresso as my contour to use in my C-zone area. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna let this sit for a little while because I really want to help set off the color discoloration that we have formed from using a different foundation a little bit. But I really do have a hard time matching my own foundation. I know that's crazy, but it's like I can see someone else and match them, but it's like me seeing myself. It's like I can't. It's not working. But while this is setting, what I'm going to do is go in with some blush, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to kind of tone down the contour a little bit. And to do that, I'm going in with the shade Wine from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just going to start applying that in my cheek area. It's really, I don't know why y'all see. So I'm gonna go in with my 330 to kind of see if that would help tone it down a little bit. Oh yeah, this is much better, y'all. Much better. Much better. Now I'm gonna set this all in because I got a lot going on. Okay, y'all. Well, that's pretty much it for the look. I want it to be really. Ooh, look at me. Ooh. Ooh, look at. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do and you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload, guys. I'm going to continue to try to give you some more makeup tutorials. I know I have been slacking with those, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have and you've seen some things you liked or want me to do in the next video, please comment in the comment section below, guys. And I really want to thank you guys so much for continuing to watch and support me. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.